Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT inside WordPress. Alright, so if you want to speed up your blogging processes inside WordPress, one of the great ways is to add this ChatGPT Chrome extension to your WordPress website or to your Google Chrome browser, and you're going to be able to use ChatGPT inside your WordPress Gutenberg editor on this sidebar, as you can see here. And if you want to add this sidebar to your WordPress website, all you have to do is install this Chrome extension called ChatGPT for WordPress. I will add the link of this Chrome extension in the description below. And then all you have to do is click on Add to Chrome here, then add it to your Google Chrome web browser. It also works on Microsoft Edge or Brave or any kind of Chromium-based browser. And once you install the Chrome extension, just create a new blog post, and you should be able to see ChatGPT button here, and if you click on it, this sidebar will open up on your WordPress editing interface. And as you can see, there are a lot of pre-trained or pre-built ChatGPT prompts that you can use, and one of them is this one where you have to input one keyword and it will write a full blog post on that keyword, and it will be a fully SEO optimized blog post. As you can see, it will add a title, headings and all that good stuff, and then you can just copy this and paste it into here. As you can see, it will be formatted the right way. So let's see an example. Let's say how to make money with affiliate marketing. Then you have to just click on this execute button, and as you can see, this extension will write a full blog post on how to make money with affiliate marketing, and this blog post will be fully SEO optimized. As you can see, there are other prompts that you can use, like Amazon product review, e-commerce SEO, FAQ from content, input URL, a blog outline, or you can just also use basic prompts, basic ChatGPT prompts here. But all in all, this is how to use ChatGPT inside WordPress.